Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter a Home Depot promo code. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open up my web browser and head on over to homedepot.com. And now once I'm inside here, I'm just going to put a random product into my cart. So I'm going to scroll down. I might put in this, let's have a look here, I might shop on furniture. So I'm going to head on over to this furniture part in Home Depot. Just going to wait for that to load. Alright, I'm going to scroll down and I am going to shop on bedroom furniture. I'm going to scroll down and I am going to put in this drawer creation thing, whatever you want to call it. Yep, so I'm just going to add this to my cart. So I'm going to have a look here, add to cart. And now a box will appear on the right hand side. This is going to open up your cart when it loads. If anyone else finds homedepot.com laggy, just put your thoughts down in the comments. I'm interested to know. So whenever I come here, it's very laggy for myself. Alright, it might say confirm your pickup store, or if you like to pick it up elsewhere. I'm just going to click on yes, I'll pick it up from that store. That's irrelevant, so I'm going to click on decline. Alright, I'm going to go to the checkout. So checkout is where you need to go to put in the promo code. So once I go to the checkout page, there'll be a section called enter promo code or discount code. Alright, so what I need to do is log in here and then continue on my order. So I will do that now. Yeah, I'm just having difficulty logging in, so besides the point. But yeah, get to the checkout section and add in your promo code. Just search for it, it'll be on that page.